crafty friends, it's Jenny from Origami Tree, bringing you free crafty fun all year round. And today we'll be making a paper necktie box. Now, just a side note, you do need a printer for this project, whether it's a color printer or a black and white printer, or if you don't have one, you can borrow it from a friend or something. But anyway, before we jump into this video, if you're new to this channel, be sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications to be alerted of new crafty fun videos when they come out. I post a new one every single week. Would love for you to join me. And without further ado, let's jump right in. So let's take a look at our necktie box. We have a lid and then we have the bottom as well. The bottom is a beautiful light gray and then the top is a gorgeous royal blue with some yellow and gold stripes. And then the lid just goes right on top like this. Easy peasy. So what you need is you'll need my printable templates, which you can find on my website. I'll link them in the video description. So over here we have our cover, and then over here we have the bottom. And so the first step is to, of course, cut everything out. I'm going to start with this one. So now that we have everything all cut out, we're ready to assemble the necktie box. So I'm just going to put these gray ones aside first and then work on the lid. So we have two strips over here that I'm going to connect with my glue stick. And then how you want to connect them is you just want to take this longer one over here, put on the right side with the tabs facing up, and then you want to take this little one over here and also have the tabs facing up, and this is how they're going to connect. So just dab a little bit of glue on this tab over here and then put this one right on top. So we're to work from the center and then outwards and work on the right side first. So I'm going to grab this center point over here, which is, kind of like medium size. And then you want to take this first crease over here on the vertical and fold a mountain fold. So you're going to fold it back, crease it in, unfold. The one to the right of that, you're going to do a valley fold. So you're going to fold it over to the front and then crease it in. Unfold. The one to the right of that, you're going to do a mountain fold. So you're going to fold it back and crease it in. Unfold. And then you're going to go in the opposite direction on the left side. So this first one over here is a mountain fold. You're going to fold back. Unfold. The one next to it, you're going to do a valley fold. So fold up, crease it in, unfold. The next one, you're going to do a mountain fold. So fold it back, crease it in, and unfold. So now you have this long strip here with a bunch of little folds. Take these tabs and you're going to fold it back. So I'm just going to go one by one from left to right. And then there's also one odd little tab over here on the right, so you're going to fold that back as well. And now all of your tabs are done. Now I'm going to bring back the front of the tie and flip it around so the pattern side is facing down and the white side is facing up. And then similarly, I'm going to flip this around so that the tabs are facing down and the royal blue is facing out away from you. So now what you want to do is you want to put some glue on each one of these tabs, and then you're going to go around the tie and assemble the lid of the box. So grab some glue stick. Again, everywhere where you see a tab or a red dot is where you'll be putting some glue. I like to put glue on two tabs at the same time. You don't want to do all of them at once because by the time you get to the end, the glue might dry and that would kind of defeat the purpose of putting glue on it. So you're gonna align it to the edge of the tie right here from the bottom. Do this long side. And let that glue sit in. And sometimes you want to turn it around to see what you're doing. It's kind of hard to see if you always have it facing down. So that looks pretty good. Flip it around again. Put some glue on the next two tabs, so this little one and the center one. Place it down. And then just go around until you reach the very end. And this final tab, you're just gonna dab some glue and seal it in. Flip it around and your lid is complete. So now let's work on the bottom of the necktie box, and it's actually the exact same thing as the lid. So I'm not gonna go over the instructions again, but you can feel free to watch this time lapse. Once you have the bottom completed, just put the lid over it, and your necktie box is complete. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed making that necktie box. Leave a comment below letting me know if you would like to see more kind of printable paper template project type things like this, or you would like to see more origami or a mixture of both, or you really don't care. But anyway, I would love to know and hear your feedback, and thank you so much for watching my videos and for your support. Please subscribe if you haven't already done so for crafty fun all year round, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!